Hey guys, today I have the Allure beauty box the month of January and February for you guys. I'm a little late to the game because I was renovating my house, but I thought I'd show you guys what I got and also let you guys know about the subscription. It's $15 a month. I did subscribe with my own money just because I wanted to do a new subscription. I canceled my Sephora Play. I just wasn't happy with it. So I wanted to start a new one to see you know, what else is out there and try new things for you guys. So as far as customer service, I have to say it was just a horrible experience at the beginning. I had to call them a few times. I was very upset that you know, I didn't receive an email that they had already withdrawn the first payment from me, but the whole month of January went by and I ordered it the first week of January and I got no tracking, no email, no update, no nothing. And I was like, did they just steal my money? So I did have to contact them and I was very upset because of the fact that I really wanted to cancel. I was like, you know, this seems like not legit. I really felt disappointed. I didn't feel like they had a good communication, because one thing is for them to say, hey, we're backtracked, your box is coming, then just like take my money out and be like, welcome to the subscription that you never got. So finally in February I got both of my boxes, but since I wasn't at my home, then I wasn't able to film this for you guys. So from here on, let me know if you guys want to see this unboxing. I'm hoping to maybe start another subscription and add that onto here so you guys can see that as well if you're interested in that. I'm thinking of doing the Ipsy Plus, I think it's called, and doing that unboxing monthly on here as well for you guys, because you guys seem to really like my unboxings more than anything else on my channel. So I'm gonna go ahead and do January's box, which came super hellified late. So this is what it comes in, is these little plastic bags. It does have a little booklet that kind of describes everything that's in here, as far as, you know, what it is, how to use it, and that whole jazz. So first thing in here is the Amika Soulful Nourishing Mask, and this is a mask for your hair. I'm really excited to try this. I do feel like this is a good amount. This is 2 fluid ounces. And like I said, this was $15. Also, they sent the Sunday Riley CEO Glow. This is the vitamin C and turmeric face oil. This is 0.5 fluid ounces and I'm super excited to try this out. I have yet to try any of Sunday Riley's like skincare or oils, and so this is so good, and it's a awesome size, as you can see there. Next up is the Sunday Riley High Dose Retinoid Serum, which is another one that I'm super excited. I really want to add some kind of retinoid into my skincare. I am in my mid-30s. I feel like you can start seeing that I'm super tired from working 12-hour shifts and also dealing with my toddler 4 days a week. So hopefully something like this will be really good for me. Also, I like the fact that these 2 Sunday Riley products were sent in the Allure box to people before it even came out to the public. So it was like first access. Next up is the Way Scalp and Body Scrub, which I'm excited to try. I love the spray that I bought from Way, so I'm excited to try this out as well. Their spray smells really good, so I'm hoping that this will, yeah, it smells really good. I am really into their hair care products, so this will be exciting to try as well. Next thing in here is the NCLA polish, and this is in kind of like a peachy color, very beautiful neon, especially for now for like spring and summer. Next thing in here is the Mally Evercolor Shadow Stick Extra, and this is in burnished bronze, and this is like a full size product. And it's that beautiful bronze shade, which I know I will get a lot of use out of. And then the last thing in here is the Doshea Relentless Matte Lip Crayon in Winterberry. I'm not even going to open this because I think I'm just going to give this away to someone who will be using it. I have a lot of lip products, and to be honest, I just keep hoarding them. And this is going to be the year that I start using products in a more conscious as far as buying and things like that. So I really enjoyed the first month's bag, even though it did come hellified late. I think that they did an awesome job as far as picking out the products. I do hate like accumulating these bags though, I have to say, because when you get subscriptions and every single time you get a bag, it just becomes out of hand, you know. And I've given away a ton of them and I still have like a bag full of them. So as far as the February box, I'm going to go ahead and open that one as well for you guys. This one is a black bag and it's the same style. And they do give you like a discount for the jewelry, and of course it has the little booklet as well. So I do like the fact that it has the booklet. The booklet really like explains how to use the product. It gives you the price point as well. But the only thing is that it gives you the price point for the full size product. So not necessarily is going to be the product itself, because obviously like the CEO Glows facial is worth $80, but they only gave you like 0.5. So then you'd have to kind of calculate what the total value was worth, but I do feel like it's worth the $15. So first thing in here is a brush. This is an angled brush by the brand, it says Triad Eye. Oh, okay. This is by Moda by Royal and Lang Nickel, and I do think that I will be giving this to someone who will use it more than me. This is an angled brush and I do have quite a bit of these. Next thing in here is the Mahmoud Petal Spa Oil to Foam. It is a, what is this? Okay, so it's a cleanser. So this is a really nice little cleanser to try out. I've never heard of this brand, so this is going to be nice to add into my skincare. Next thing in here is the Wander Beauty Mile High Club. This is a volume and length mascara. It's a full-size product, so this will be really nice to try. I've really been into the brand Wander Beauty and have really wanted to try more products from them, so that's a good way to try it. Next thing in here is the Pomade Flower Lab Essence Mask. I'm all about these like paper masks. I really feel like they're just more easier for me as far as like when I'm with my son than to actually have to like wash my face or anything. I just feel like it's easier for me to pop them on, leave them on, and then just, you know, take them off and throw them away. So I do really enjoy that. Next thing in here is the Doche Fierce and Fine Graphic Pen. It is a felt tip pen, and I think I will be giving this away as well, just because I have way too many felt tip pens and I don't hardly ever use like wing liner or do that unless I'm gonna wear lashes. I do like a really thin line, and I really need to go through the ones that I have. Next thing in here is the Brow Gal, and this is the Instant in number 2. This, oh my god, I love this. I got one in I think a Boxycharm and I really enjoy it, so I'm excited that I got another one in this Allure one. And then last thing in here is the Motto Co Metallic Eyeshadow Trio, and let me see what this looks like. Oh, this is so pretty. So it's this little trio right there. I'm not decided if I'm going to keep this or not. I might give a little away as well, which you guys are probably like, why the hell did you get a subscription box if you're gonna give stuff away? But I also, you know, I don't want to hoard stuff and be like, yeah, I'm gonna keep everything. Like, I also want to give back either to you guys, either accumulate stuff and then do like a little giveaway if you guys want to see something like that, if you guys are up for that. And then I also like giving back to friends and family, so I'm not going to swatch that. I'm going to keep it aside, maybe for a giveaway for you guys. So that is what came in the February one. I have to say I'm super impressed by the boxes so far. I really like what comes in it. The only thing, like I said, was that whole customer service thing. They did make it up to me as far as like sending me an email, letting me have like the next 4 months at $10 instead of $15. So that was a nice little touch to kind of make up for like my disappointment. As far as like customer service, when I was with them on the phone, they were very helpful, but you know, that whole period where I was like, what's going on, you know, it kind of really bothered me. But other than that, I have to say, you know, the experience after that has been okay. So I will update you guys and let you know. Let me know if you guys want to see more of these unboxing. I definitely share with you guys. And yeah, I love you guys. If you're not subscribed, hit that little red button and subscribe so you see more of my content. Like this video if you like it, and I'll talk to you guys into the next one. Bye guys.